like the guest room over there, the sleeping room right over here. What you doing? Just snooze in?
I'd say that's the sleeping room. This is the sleeping room. No, yeah. I guess that is the sleeping room.
Because you can get up to the covers. Get out of here. It's creepy. I'm coming to a new house.
Woo!
I'm prepping my house up so that my neighbor can come.
Guys, I just realized something.
Yeah?
We connected.
Oh my gosh, that would be so cool.
I think it could work.
We could turn these chairs.
No, I can't turn that.
No, we could turn them in the. Oh wait, it'll be an entryway either way. Okay, let's see.
Oh my God, I think I can do that. Look. Extra blanket, extra blanket.
We do have extra blankets.
Extra pillows, extra pillows.
Extra chairs, extra chairs. We can connect the chairs and do it. Okay.
Extra pillows, extra chairs.
Camera.
Yeah.
This is orange.
You don't want it?
Yeah. Let me go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I like that. Whichever one you want me to have today. What is us and eraser?
I gotta take some food also.
Okay.
I tasted what got a single gum.
Okay. I won't say anything. Ooh, okay, this.
Those
Yay!
are good. You should try them.
Is this apple?
But the last taste of it is weird.
It tastes good.
I know. It tastes awesome until like the last bite.
You don't like it?
No, it's good at the last bite. It just surprises you. It changes.
At least I can smell this.
You can have some. Oh, you're
No,
not good.
They look like perfect butter cups.
My mom will be doing that.
Perfect. Let's sneak me a piece.
Okay. Don't say that because you know Auntie will do it. Don't say that because you know I'll do it. I guess I'll try a piece.
Hey!
Okay. Making some leftover Chinese food for last night. Look at my bags. Yummy. Oops. You still haven't found it?
Why are you eating even though it's on the stove?
Because I don't know if it's good or not. It's good. Okay. Looks okay, but anyway. This thing is so cool. It smells like lavender, eucalyptus, and lemon. What'd you do? Yes! Yeah, do it again. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, I saw a little bit of it. Take your time. No. The other skateboard I did. Oh, wow. Yay! Nice. You didn't even stop at all. Oh my gosh. Yay. You, no, I didn't. You can see. I can see. You want to turn around and do it? You said? Oh, last time you turned around. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
It makes him feel good to know he's not on the road by himself.
Tookie? Yeah, I guess. He likes to think that
There go Yogi, you know.
the little Land Rover.
The thing, that's all she got with them bad kids. She don't need to get that other car until they get a little older. Because they, you know, she's still letting them act like they 1 year old.
Over here drinking sweet tea. Anyway, we ended up stopping in Houston for some pizza at Papa John's. It was okay. It wasn't all that good.
Wasn't at all. That was the worst we ever had.
That was the worst Papa John's we have ever had.
No,
it was
that was our
flavorless.
favorite place to go, but it was just
We always go to Papa John's on Chimney Rock. Always. Whenever we go to Houston, we just... Oh, not whenever, every time we go, but yeah. We'll like pass through.
Tell everybody that there's nowhere to kill us.
Exactly. You guys, if you guys want to kill us, you know where to find us.
Shut up.
Anyway, oh yeah, so I ended up filming my March favorites a couple days ago, and I posted it this morning. So I didn't wait till the very last day of March because...
Who's getting in the bathtub first?
I already took my shower last night, so you are.
Okay.
Yeah, we had to spend the night at my sister's house.
I'm tired of those duck baths.
My sister does not have... My sister's house is so weird. Like, she lives in one of those kind of like hipster, like cute, you know, but older people's like areas. Very, like, it's a, you know, nice area. And those older homes have weird appliances. In her bathtub, the kids' bathroom has a shower that has never worked. Even when I lived there when I was younger, it did not work. And I was like, oh yeah, I know she fixed it because she renovated. No, it had dripping hot water coming down, and the water didn't even get that hot. So I had to like take an actual bath.
I hope she don't see that.
And I was not happy. So Yogi, if you're watching this, I know you follow me on YouTube. Your bathtub.
Oh,
Maybe
that is not good. Yeah, you need to erase that, can you?
Yes, what is the big deal? We're talking about a bathtub. Who cares?
Oh.
It doesn't run, and she knows it. The shower doesn't run, but the actual
Hey,
bathtub.
I thought this was my bang doing all
No,
this.
that's your braid. It's embarrassing. Look at my mom's hair. Like, she has a bang with braids in the back. She
Thank
did it
you very
herself.
much.
She did it herself. She's very talented because I don't have the patience to sit up there and do something like that. Because I already know she's only going to keep it up for like 3 days tops. So today is day 2. Tomorrow it's probably going to be coming down.
Nope.
Anyway, this is an interesting weekend. Yesterday, I didn't really get to vlog that much, so I'm going to make this into like 2 of these into one video because I just didn't do much yesterday. I did show you guys when I went to the restaurant with Jay. That was interesting. Oh yeah, and I told you about what happened afterwards and everything. So yeah. Okay, well anyway guys, I'll talk to you later. Tonight I'm gonna be filming well, I'm gonna be putting up the meeting my cousin, and then tomorrow is the the foundation review, I think. I don't know, I may be returning that foundation because it made my skin really yellow, but I do have a brown foundation to kind of put over it. But I'm like, why am I buying this expensive foundation if like it doesn't even cover what I need it to do? I don't get it. So that may be kind of good. If we do go to the mall, my friend, she always gives me gas money, so it'll be like, okay, well I can just knock 2 birds out with 1 stone. I can buy me some good like foundation and maybe like a little perfume or something, like a little travel size. We'll see. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you later.
So when you go in the restroom, you can make sure to smell really nice when you use the restroom.
Exactly. Smell nice.
And get, I showed Yogi how I use my little bottle of water.